ice. So you may get on here and slip. You're probably better off not getting in the ruts. It's driving on the side where the ruts aren't. You know what I'm saying? Like here, you'll have more traction than if you're on the ice. I'm driving on the ice to get rid of it, mostly.